Hey YouTubers, if you're in your Tesla and your cabin camera, this little camera up here, is not working, maybe a software glitch, and you can reset the camera if you need to. If your camera's not working, you won't be able to use your autopilot correctly, because this camera has to be able to look at you while you're driving to make sure you're paying good attention. So if you have to reset it, what you can do is come down to this little icon, press that one, and then you come over to this screen, come down to where it says software, press that one, and then come over to where it says Model 3, and you're going to just keep your finger on there for about 10 seconds. Just press in on that. And when you release it, it'll give you this screen. You want to put in an access code. We're going to type in the word service. So you don't want to do this. Once you're in the service mode, don't press anything except the instructions here, because you could mess up other parts of your software. So we're just going to press in the word service. And we only want to do what's necessary to get this camera working. So we got the word service in there, we press OK. So again, it warns you, just be careful. You're not going to do anything other than these instructions. So I'll press enter. And I want to go to this one that says driver assist. So I'm going to press that one. And then where it says cameras, I'm going to press that one. And it's showing all these cameras. This is the interior camera right here. Yours might be red. I just reset this, but it could be showing as red, which means it's just not sensing it, or there's something wrong with the software. So what we want to do is press this one that says reset DAS. That's the driver assist system. So we're going to press that. And then it says hold the right turn signal in the active position and press down on your brake pedal for 8 seconds. So come over to your stock here. You're going to push this up like you're making a right turn, but just keep holding it up while you're pressing down on your brake pedal. So I'm going to press the brake pedal first. Then I'm going to push this up for 8 seconds. You can look at the screen. It's going to count for you. All right, and then I'm going to go ahead and turn my turn signal back down. So I want to press this one that says reset the driver assistance system. Press that one. And it says the test resets the driver assistance system ECU using the controller area network CAN bus. So I'm going to run that to reset it. It says it successfully did a hard reset of the DAS. And now I don't need to rerun it. I'm just going to press close. Press close. And then if you look at it and you have the red screen, or the red button, that means it's not sensing your cabin camera. So we're going to reset it. We're going to press reset DAS. Rerun the reset. Run it again. Run that. Okay, I'm going to close out of this one. So if you look at it and you see, yeah, nothing there, or green, if it shows green, that means your camera is working. So now our cabin is working. So to get out of this system, we're just going to hold this button right here for about 5 seconds. We're back. So if you want to test to make sure that your cabin camera is working now, again, you can come to this one, press it, and go to software, press that, and press this one, Model 3, for about 5 seconds. Just press in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And when you come off, it has this screen, and we're going to type in the access code as the word service. We're going to press OK. So it warns you, don't mess with this because you could alter your software. But if you follow these instructions, just the things we're mentioning in the video, you'll be okay. So we're going to press enter. We want to go to this one up here. It says driver assist. We're going to go to cameras. And if your cabin camera is working, you should see a green button right here. And then just give it a little time for it to do all the resets here. You should see these cameras turn green. Just takes a moment. They're doing calibration testing. And then if I do camera preview, hopefully I'll be able to see the cabin camera now. Just takes a sec. Yeah, so the cabin camera is working again. So that hopefully that'll help you guys get yours back online. Once you've verified your camera's working, you can press this little X up here, and then you can press this one for about 5 seconds, this little red button, and you're back out. So hopefully that'll get your camera up here working again, resets its software, and you'll be able to use your autopilot again. All right, so thanks so much for watching our video, and please subscribe to our channel when you get a chance, and also click the little bell notification button so we can send you weekly videos on all the different ways of fixing appliances around your home and saving you lots of money. So thanks again for watching, and please also press the like button for our video if this was helpful to you. Feel free to contact me at the email listed below, which is scottthefixitguy@yahoo.com, with any of your questions.